All right, in this lesson, let's figure out what our goals are. What are we trying to accomplish in the course? The course title is A General Introduction to Deep Learning Using Keras. So the first thing we know is that we're going to build predictive deep learning models in something called Keras. All right, so what's Keras? Keras is a high-level library in Python used to build deep neural networks. Great, what's high level and what's a neural network? High level just means it's closer to our language than machine language. Thus, it's easier to understand and use. All right, what about a neural network? In machine learning, an artificial neuron is an entity modeled after a real biological neuron. We assemble a bunch of these artificial neurons in order to build a neural network. All right, so why do we do that? Because deep learning, or neural networks, have been outperforming everything in their path. When Google suddenly starts dumping all of their existing models for deep learning models, it's time to pay attention. In this course, we're going to learn the basics of the artificial neuron and how they are woven together in order to create a neural network. At the end of the course, you're going to be able to define what deep learning is and be able to create a simple real-world deep learning model. We're going to focus on the vernacular of deep learning and the pieces that need to fit together in order to create an artificial neural network. We're going to skip the math for now and focus on the model building process. Building deep learning models isn't difficult, but there are a lot of moving parts and there are a lot of new concepts that require attention to detail. So, in the course, we're going to use a library in Python called Keras to create a deep learning model. Additionally, we're going to cover a lot of new terminology that's specific to deep learning. All right, let's get started.